I've seen it on Gumtree. It's a Honda Accord for only £800, but I made an offer of £400. So hopefully when we do get it, it's all working really good and we could try and flip it. My plan is to buy 2 cars today, so you're in for a surprise. So the plan is to just constantly just buy 1-2 cars here and there, fixing them, trying to use the knowledge that we've got and see if we can flip it. We have made it to the destination. Here it is. There's the Accord. We are going to buy it regardless because we need the parts. Let's go check out the Accord. Estee.
How you doing?
Right, very good. Obviously, I don't want to waste too much of your time.
No, man. As long as you need. Like, you know, you're buying a car. Like, you make sure it's right for you, kind of thing.
Yeah. Can I get home on it? Will it start and drive?
Yeah, it will.
Then that's all I need to know.
Yeah.
I don't need nothing else.
It's going to need some fuel. It's do about 50 miles of what you got in there at the moment. But yeah.
Okay. Let's do the bank transfer. Let's
right,
go.
cool,
yeah,
man.
like
At the moment.
Yeah.
Just leave this door open so you can actually get it out. That's the only thing right now.
But and you can't stick the key in here. You can't unlock it here.
Key's not really working at the moment. Like I think I don't know what it is. If it's gotten like kind of jammed or something. It needs to make clean out or something. I don't know.
Just leave that door open.
Yeah.
Okay.
Leave that open
Okay. That's cool. That's cool.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you very much. No problem. Take care of yourself. Yeah. Best of luck and welcome to the new car, guys. Let's make it home. Whew. Okay, we just bought that car in less than 15 seconds. I haven't checked the engine, I haven't checked anything. I broke every single rule. Okay, it starts. Let's just see if we can make it home. This is the craziest thing I've ever done right now on this channel. Buying a car blindly without checking anything, or if there's any engine oil or even any sort of fluid. I'm going to attempt to drive it home, guys. This car is it's so responsive and nippy. I just let go of the clutch right now. I'm barely letting the clutch go and the car wants to move. Okay, we just parked up because the engine light came on saying the oil level is quite low, which is a bit of a mistake. We should have checked it. Let's have a look how low it is. If you guys can actually see that. There's actually no oil in it, and that's what happens when you don't check the engine oil of the car out. But it's all good. We'll top it up and then we should make it back to Birmingham. We've got about a 2-hour drive. Come on. Check the water coolant. Looks like there's no water coolant in there. You pay for what you get, right? For a diesel car, they weren't lying about the remap. This car's actually pretty quick. I think this car's got potential, guys. Now it's time to see how truly fast the Honda Accord diesel family car really is against a few modified cars. Get a race, yeah? He doesn't know what we've got into the engine of this. We're going to show him what time it is. Oh! It's a race now, you know. Okay, I think my turbo's warmed up, you know. First gear, first gear. 1, 2, 3, go! Bye-bye! Getting yourself a family car. Honda all the way. We'll take it easy, just in case you spin up on it. Not yet, not yet. Go. Go on! No way! Damn! Okay. Race car now, yeah? Let's not race the Skyline, nah! Alright guys, it's time for car number 2 from the car part auction. This one started off looking like an absolute steal, but you know how it goes. There's always that one bidder who fights you right to the end. But guess what? We came out on top. We just won ourselves a Honda Accord Type S. Now listen, selling one of these, that's never a problem. But they're ultra reliable, they've got a K24 engine, the swap every car enthusiast drools over. 5-door family car, fully loaded with a sunroof. This thing ticks all the boxes. The only question is, did we score big or did we buy a lemon? And here is the car, we have made it. That did not look like that in the picture. It is pretty bad to be honest, but we're going to head back home first. Not sure why there's the engine light there. I hope the catalyst is still there or it hasn't been changed. But all in all, the inside's pretty decent. It's pretty nice, but I don't want to waste any more time. Let's just head back to the HQ. Let's see what this car sounds like. Whoa! VTEC traction control light is on. Boom! Bit of a B-road action. I'm not saying this car's a nice B-road car, but it's pretty decent. Don't forget, this is the K24A3 engine that produces 200 brake horsepower in a 5-door family car that has cruise control, heated seats, and mechanically it's driving perfectly fine. As you can see that we're driving back from the auction it just feels like someone that really looked after this car. So there's 2 Accords, and the plan is to basically take the front bumper, the headlight, the wing, the bonnet and that door and replace it onto this one. I was looking for that colour for such a long time, and I believe it is the same colour match. I hope so anyway. And we don't know what to do with this stolen car. Do we keep it, do we run it to the ground, or do we sell it and see if we can make our money back? Today going 1, 10, 5, 10, 20 million dollars, and it's sold to one of you subscribers. And ladies and gentlemen, we got the bumper off. Full connectors in the headlight. That's mad, right? Well, we don't need this now. The front reinforcement bar is all straight. There's no damage at all. Structurally, it's not damaged. It was a cat end, so it's just replaceable part. We did it! Honda what? Got defeated, bro. It's nice looking like a stripped Honda, and that's the donor part that's gonna go straight onto that. And all these broken wing, we can still fix it, including the spare light. Now you guys already know how the parts all come off. We're gonna take the parts of the Accord in 3, 2, 1. And just like that, the Accord is all done. We're almost there now, we're halfway. Just trying to pull back on that one. And I might have an idea about the bad parts, fix them up slightly and put them back on that one, so then both cars are still good, but we just made the Type S value go up. So let's just do it right now, guys. This is the part that I need to go on the second light that I bought, and that should make the light work. And there you go, we fixed it with a £400 donor code. Easy fix. Now that is probably worth sub £2,000 to £3,000 for a 77k K24 Type S Accord, and we did it in less than a couple of hours, guys. The donor Honda Accord is fixed with the broken parts from this, as you will see. I'm actually considering, do we keep this car now? Do we daily it? Do we drive it? Apparently it's been remapped. So what we're going to do now is just give it a nice wash and clean and park it to the side. And same with this car, we're going to list it up, see what we can get. I mean, we bought it for just over £1,000. Let's see if we can make a quick flip of £1,000 profit. That's how it used to look like, and now that's how it looks now. So if you enjoyed that video, smash that like button, drop a comment down below, hit that bell notification, and see you guys next video. Peace.